If you like the video, we request you to like and subscribe to the Agilemania YouTube channel to encourage us to provide more valuable information on Agile and Scrum. Hey there! Welcome to today's video on how to unlock your team's potential with Agile. As businesses continue to evolve and adapt to changes in the market, it's essential to have an approach that helps teams work together efficiently to meet goals and objectives. In this video, we'll discuss what Agile is, how it works, and how you can implement it in your team to maximize its potential. What is Agile? Agile is a project management methodology that focuses on collaboration, flexibility, and constant improvement. It was initially developed for software development, but it has since been adopted by various industries, including marketing, finance, and healthcare. Agile is designed to help teams deliver projects in small, incremental steps, allowing for quick feedback and adjustments to be made along the way. How Agile works. Agile is based on 4 key values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. These values are supported by 12 principles that guide Agile development. Agile development is typically done in short iterations called sprints, which are usually between 1 and 4 weeks long. Each sprint involves planning, execution, and review phases. During the planning phase, the team determines which tasks to work on, how to complete them, and how long they will take. During the execution phase, team members work on the assigned tasks, collaborate to solve any problems that arise, and regularly communicate with each other and with stakeholders. During the review phase, the team evaluates the results of the sprint and identifies areas for improvement. The team then takes these learnings into the next sprint, making necessary changes to their process, goals, or objectives. How to implement Agile in your team. Implementing Agile in your team requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to continuous improvement. Here are some steps you can take to introduce Agile to your team. Start with a pilot project. Begin with a small project and introduce Agile methodologies to the team. Use this project as an opportunity to learn how Agile works, what works well, and what doesn't. Define roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member, including the product owner, Scrum Master, and team members. This will ensure that everyone understands their role and can contribute effectively. Set up a collaborative workspace. Agile requires constant communication and collaboration. Set up a workspace that encourages open communication and collaboration, whether it's a physical workspace or a digital one. Use Agile tools. Use tools that support Agile methodologies, such as project management software or whiteboards. These tools can help teams track progress, communicate, and share information. Embrace change. Agile is all about being flexible and adapting to change. Encourage your team to embrace change, learn from it, and adjust their process accordingly. In conclusion, Agile is an effective project management methodology that can help teams work together more efficiently, be more flexible, and achieve better results. By implementing Agile in your team, you can unlock its potential and achieve success in today's fast-paced business environment. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. You can reach out to us at Connected Agilemania if face any issues with implementing Agile, and we shall try our best to help you.